Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for NASDAQ 100 and Dow Jones. The next analysis will be up before US cash session for these two along with gold. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. If you are missing to subscribe, definitely you are missing the profits out there. This is my words. Those who watch regularly, ask them. So yes, do not miss to subscribe the channel. Let's start. First we look into US 100 followed with US 30. Now this is the hourly charts, and on the hourly charts you can find higher lows and higher highs trying to trade in this zone. The support now at 13400 430 zone is strong. I have told since yesterday, just be watchful of 13400 levels, very strong support levels. It is achieved and try to bounce back. Now for the day, yes, you can remain short till the time it trades below 13500. I will expect probably a little drop, and yes, if it continues to trade beyond this zone at 13500, I will say 50 itself, or rather 13530, yes, you can go long, but then 13550 will come into picture. So in between 13550 and 13470, do not trade. Yesterday also those were the same levels, and I am repeating these levels again today. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is at bottom trying to rise. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bearish cross, and after the crossover we may see it continuing with the bearish momentum. RSI trading flat near to bottom. Look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see higher lows, higher highs, but at the same time this last few candles traded specifically bearish out there. So, and you can look at this is what it is trying to do, and this is also a narrowing triangle. Only long entry I will recommend is beyond 13530. If you see it beyond 13530, rather a comfortable long entry you should take only above 13550. At the same time, a good short entry below 13450. So in between these 100 points, let's stay away. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is bullish, willing to trade in green zone, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, see this is previous candle was a breakout candle, and once it breaks out, probably it may sustain for a next red candle. Hence, yes, only long entry, as I said, is above 13550. Till the time it trades below 13550, I will not recommend you to trade. See, yesterday did not I tell you 13550, and it failed to break past 13550. See, and at the same time, just be watchful of 13470. Below 13470, yes, you can go short and then expect it to drop for 13440 and 13400 levels. 13400 definitely a stronger support on the downside. Directional movement bearish, stochastic looking downwards, MACD is still in bearish zone, RSI near to bottom there. Likewise on the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, this is trying to break out. This is a indication that we may see it sustaining below these levels and come back till towards 13400, and this time in fact it can drop 13400, and the drop is going to take it till towards 13300 level. The possibility exists. Only long entry is above 1350. I am once again telling, only long entry is above 13550 levels. And those who want to take a confirmed short entry, only short entry is below 13470 levels. Below that, yes, you can expect a drop. In between 13470 and 550, do not trade. Directional movement is moderately bearish, just crossed over. Stochastic is near to top, converging for a drop. MACD is bearish, but it may start to converge, crossover for a bullish move, just waiting for it. RSI looking downwards. Now look at the daily charts here. See, on the daily charts, almost flat bottom, and on the daily charts, lower highs. Lower highs indicates that it is failing to rise there, and only long entry, as I said, is beyond 13550. Beyond that, yes, you can stay long, consider that as a reversal. Then you can look forward to 13650, 700 plus levels. On the downside, as I said, yes, you can go short below 13450. and below 13450 you can expect a little drop till towards 13400, and below that you can expect a strong drop. So take your positions accordingly, though you can take a short entry at around 13470, but then 13450, 450, 440 are going to be good support. 13400 is going to be the next support. Below 13400 you can stay short today, and it is going to hit 13300 levels. In between 13550, yes, above 13550, if you see it trading above, definitely we can see 13650 levels today. 600 is good resistance, 650 is next resistance, and then 13700 will come into picture. You can go long, in fact, at 13520 itself, but remember 13550 is the ultimate resistance, and beyond that it will fly. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution in between 13475, 2030 levels, and on the larger side 13450, 550 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Also, if you want to support the effort, if you think that my efforts are worth enough for you to just support it, then you can become a patron. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. The subscription is hardly going to cost you anything. Just be a patron. Reach out to me for more details, and also might become, if you want to learn, you can be a part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon. You can be part of it, and also if you want to trade as per the signals, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at US30 here. US32 is slightly skewed on the downside, and you can find, I will recommend you to enter if you see it above 34020, and beyond 34020 you can stay long. See, yesterday also I told that it can reverse any point of time from 34050, 34000 levels. Precisely achieved 34050, retraced from there, and now see, also look at the hourly chart. See, it is giving you lower highs. Probably this candle itself may try to take it till towards 33950 levels. Let's have a more detailed look. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom. MACD is in green. RSI trading flat, so none of the indicators are indicating much in detail. Look at the 2-hour charts, lower highs, and consistently we can see lower highs here. So it is trying to trade bearish, that is for sure. It is not willing to go past on the upside, that is very clear. Only long entry, as I said, is above 34020, and then 34050 should be a good resistance. Right now it is looking downwards. Go short at 33950, see, which is, it has already seen here, and in fact, rather I will say, I told you yesterday also, 33900 is a very good support. 33, see, say how beautifully it honors and respects the level. That is what I like, and I feel overwhelmed when market respect my level with, you know, perfection. And yesterday also I told 34050, 33850 and 800 zone. See, again I will reiterate the same. Be watchful of 33850 and 800. Below 33800 it is going to drop heavily. Directional movement is not indicative of anything. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish, trying to trade with a slight bearishness. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, see, on the 3-hour charts the bearishness is slightly increasing, and probably this time it can again go down. 33900 you can look out for, and in fact 33850 levels you can watch out for. Below 33800 definitely it will call for a stronger rise. Only long entries beyond 34020. Directional movement slightly bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bearish, trying to trade in the sell side. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, if you see the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. It is trying to break this trend of 2 green candles. That was the retracement. Now it is trying to trade with drop. This is the first red candle. Probably we may see another red candle which will take it further down. Also look at this. It is giving you lower highs, flat bottom, and hence it can come back to these levels. Only long entry, as I said, is if you want to take a safe entry, you can go long only above 34050. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. MACD is bearish. RSI trade with a slight bearishness there, so slight negative slope. Look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, lower highs, this is clear. Flat bottom, this is clear. So yes, you can remain short till the time it trades below 34050 if only long entry is above 34050, and probably now we are looking at 33900, 33830, and then if it breaks below, I look forward to 33700 today. Let's observe if it does achieve today. Directional movement is bullish. It must converge. I am shouting since last 3-4 days. Let's see if it does. But the stochastic has definitely seen a drop with a little drop of just 200 250 points, as it is just trading below 200 250 points from the highs which it has seen today. And see, the stochastic is already moderated. The MACD is in green. It must start to converge, crossover for a sell, and the RSI is overbought. It must come down. Hence, I will recommend you to stay short till the time it trades below 34050 today. You can stay short, and in fact 34100 is the next resistance zone, and I will maintain my same stance which I am maintaining since last 3 days. 34050, 34100 should be a very good resistance, and till the time it trades below this zone you can always remain short from there and probably expect it to hit 33900 the first target, 33830 second target, and below that you can expect it to drop for 33700 and 500 levels. So take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly. Do not overtrade. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Largely 34100 to 33830 levels. These are the swing zone which it is trying to trade. Let's observe more in detail. Only short entries below 33950, only long entries beyond 34050. Rather, till the time it trades below 34050, you can stay short and expect it to drop till towards 33900, 33830 levels. Below that, 33700 can also be expected. Take your trades accordingly, trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. And yes, if you see trading beyond 34050, you can stay long. Take your trades accordingly. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.